Hello, have a blessed day everyone. I'm here to guide you about our lessons in pre-calculus. This subject is intended for the grade 11 students who are enrolled in the STEM strand. This is Teacher Dan. In Chapter 1 of this module, you will learn about the conic sections. Know what is the meaning of a conic section? Well, if you don't know, let me guide you with this. A conic section is formed by the intersection of a plane with a right circular cone. The kind of curve produced is determined by the angle at which the plane intersects the surface. In this slide, you will learn about the different parts of a double nap right circular cone, such as the upper nap, the generator, the vertex, the conic section, the cutting plane, the lower nap, and the base. For a clear understanding of the parts of a double nap right circular cone, the definition of each part is given below. Please read with me. A nap is the lateral surface of a right circular cone. The vertex is the fixed point that joins the double nap right circular cone. The generator is a line that rotates about a vertex. The axis is a line passing through the vertex and perpendicular to its naps. The directrix is the perimeter of the base of the cone, and the conic section is a section formed when a plane intersects a double nap right circular cone. So let me discuss the first conic section, which is a circle. As you can see in the figure, the cutting plane cuts a nap in such a way that it is parallel to the base of the cone. If the cutting plane is parallel to the base of the cone, we can say that the conic section is a circle. The second conic section is what we call a parabola. As you can see in the figure, the cutting plane is parallel only to one generator and it is perpendicular to the base of the cone. In this case, we can say that the conic section is a parabola. The section is what we call an ellipse. If the cutting plane is not parallel to the base of the cone, the conic section is an ellipse. Let's move on to the last conic section, which is the hyperbola. You can see in the figure that the cutting plane intersects both naps. If the cutting plane intersects both naps, the conic section is called hyperbola. Let us now proceed to the flash summary. Come on, we can do it. The definition of each term is discussed in the flash summary. Are you ready? Please read with me. A conic section is formed by the intersection of a plane with a right circular cone. If the cutting plane is parallel to the base of the cone, the conic section is a circle. If the cutting plane is not parallel to the base of the cone, the conic section is an ellipse. If the cutting plane is parallel only to one generator and it is perpendicular to the base of the cone, the conic section is a parabola. And finally, if the cutting plane cuts both naps, the conic section is a hyperbola. At this point, we will now discover the real-life applications of conic sections. Do you know that conic sections can be seen in the different parts of the world? Come with me and let us explore the real-life applications of conic sections by answering the flash exercises. In the flash exercises, all you have to do is to identify the conic section in the picture. There are 4 choices in each slide. For each slide, you have to decide if the conic section is a circle, a parabola, an ellipse, or hyperbola. In the first picture, you can see the Hotel Validi Sultan Konaji in Istanbul, Turkey. What do you think is the conic section which is visible in the picture? You are right. The conic section is an ellipse. The Bridge of Peace is located in Tbilisi, Georgia. The Bridge of Peace is a bow-shaped pedestrian bridge, a steel and a glass construction illuminated with the numerous LEDs over the Kura Bridge, linking the river park with Old Town in central Tbilisi. What conic section is illustrated by the bridge? Awesome! The conic section is parabola. Identify the conic section in the picture. Yes, you are correct. The conic section is a hyperbola. Notre Dame de Paris Cathedral is located in Paris, France. It is also known as Cathedral Notre Dame. It is a cathedral church in Paris, which is considered to be one of the finest examples of French Gothic architecture. The arrow in the picture is pointed to what type of conic section? Very good. It is a circle. This time we will now go to Souk al-Wakra, which is also known as Souk Waqif in Qatar. In the charming ancient city of Al-Wakra, there is a thriving market that is worth visiting for anyone interested in Qatari heritage and culture. The Souk al-Wakra is full of popular restaurants, coffee shops, play parks, and beachfront. Do you know that souk means market? So what do you think is a conic section illustrated by the marker? You are correct. It is an ellipse. Let us now travel to Paris. The Eiffel Tower is one of the famous attractions in Paris, France. It is named after the engineer Gustave Eiffel, whose company designed and built the tower. It is constructed as the entrance to 1889 World's Fair. What do you think is displayed in the tower? Absolutely right. It is a parabola. Now explore the royal gardens of Versailles in Versailles, France. The gardens cover some 800 hectares of land. It is so big that you could get lost in exploring it. In these gardens, 200,000 trees and 210,000 flowers were planted annually. What conic section is found in the middle of the gardens? Amazing! It is a circle. In the Universal Studios Singapore, I happened to visit the Minion Shop. The Universal Studios Singapore is a theme park located in the Resort World Sentosa on Sentosa Island. It features 28 rides, shows, and attractions in 7 theme zones. So, what is the conic section in the picture? Of course, it is a circle. Torch Doha is a hotel situated in a torch-shaped building. It features a revolving restaurant and panoramic views across the city. Again, what is the conic section that is displayed in this picture? Perfect! It is a hyperbola. Blue Star Ferry takes 8 hours from Athens to Santorini, Greece. What conic section is illustrated by the inflatable lifesaver in the picture? Nice answer. It is a circle. The Colosseum is an iconic symbol of Rome in Rome, Italy. It is also known as the Flavian Amphitheater or Oval Amphitheater with 50,000 seats. Every year, 6 million people visit this place. The arches are what type of conic section? Excellent! It is a parabola. And lastly, Lisboa or Lisbon is the capital of Portugal. What conic section is displayed in the picture? Definitely right. It is a circle. Good. Give yourself 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you enjoy our trip and realize the real-life applications of conic sections. To appreciate the beauty of conic sections, the next time you travel, make sure that you will take a selfie or a picture of these beautiful conic sections. Our flash value, please read with me. Adjust your focus appropriately to become the desired conic section of your life. I hope you learned something from this code. Time to level up. We will now answer the widget exercises. Are you excited? Before that, let me give credits to Bitmoji Images and Wikipedia. That's all. Thank you.